And next up, Contract Killer for Phalanx. In this, we need to complete 4 types of contract in one deployment and take the final exfil. So obviously you just need to do whatever old contracts. I've joined here with a team of just 1 person, so that's not the best. So hunt contracts are pretty much all but out of the question. So let's get started with doing 4 different kinds of missions here. Okay, so first of all, we're doing signals intelligence, though it doesn't really matter what you're doing. So we'll get this done. 2, and then 3, and I think we'll actually pick up this mission. Okay, so I'll do a destroy suppliers contract, just as that's nice and easy, and it'll show us some safes that we can open. So with it marked, we'll need to travel halfway across the planet and quickly get these planted. So here's number 1, and we'll go for number 2. Sweet, so we've got some more safes marked nearby, and they're all super close together, which is great. I'll mark the next mission that we'll do here, secure intel missions. These are the ones with a little folder and a question mark on the map. Well, anyways, we'll go ahead and grab the mission here, and the computer we need to grab the hard drive from is right next door. There we go. Sweet. Now we'll head to the radio tower and upload our data. Now, of course, as there aren't tall towers on the Vondel map, at least when we come to the one here, for example, it's simply on the roof, and it should be a lot safer to be at, as long as the attack helicopter doesn't come for us. It's much safer than climbing up a huge tower, being open to everyone. Bibbidi boop. There we go. Now we just need to complete a 4th contract, as I've already completed 3 of them. So we'll need to complete a different kind of mission. I'll say maybe the HVT contract would be the easiest, as we haven't done one of those already. So we'll come back here, grab this mission, and quickly complete it. To be done with the first part of this mission, the last bit is just extracting on the final exfil helo, which shouldn't be too difficult, especially if everyone else is left alone. That we can only hope for. Okay, so we'll quickly get this final mission done, and that should be 4 types in one deployment. Oh, okay, apparently HVT is down, but anyways, looking around here, there we go. Mission complete. Perfect. So just waiting for the final exfil, which will probably be up north somewhere. Now, I'm pretty sure we'll need to head for the far north side of the island, but I'm not entirely sure where we need to go. So I don't have a gas mask, which is a slight issue. Maybe we can buy one here. Gas mask, good enough. Well, let's see if we can do anything with that. So we're still waiting for the final exfil, and I think it'll be somewhere over by the castle. It has to be. Right, well, we need to turn around quickly and drive all the way back there. That's not good. So this is the final extract. When all 3 previous extracts are covered up by smoke, the final exfil will be marked, and that's your last chance to leave the map. Usually as well, all of the AI will head in that general direction, so you can probably use that to figure out where you need to go. So we'll head for the final exfil, and now we should be done with this mission. Or at least when it exfils. Sweet. There we go. And there we have it. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.